got some good coffee. Excuse me for a moment. Hello everybody, it's me, GameJacker, and today we are talking about a subject that is extremely near and dear to my heart. The unlimited everything cheat for your favorite video games. Of course, but before we get started, let's talk about baby seals. Yes, you heard me correctly. I'm not very cute, but these things are. So, they are the perfect opportunity for me to ask you to please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make the baby seal very happy by leaving a comment down below. Anyways, back to the topic at hand. Unlimited everything cheats are the newest development in game cheating, of course, or should I say in game scamming, as they're kind of scams and fake 100% of the time. Oh, spoilers. Anyway, so guys, this has been a trend that's been cropping up, and I just wanted to warn you guys about this. Scammers have been around in the game cheating industry and game hacking industry for a long time, and there have been numerous scams such as generators and other survey scams that require you to, complete an offer before getting unlimited stuff in your game. And they have been, programming fake websites, fake generators for a long time. But until this year, they actually did a little bit of research. They researched what the actual currencies in the respective games are, right? So if they were gonna try to scam you in PUBG, they would use, maybe a generator for unknown cash and battle points. But now they are too lazy to actually look into what the currencies in the games they're trying to scam you with actually are. So what they're doing now is basically they just say, oh, game name, you get unlimited everything. Yes, everything, always. Unlimited, infinite, everything, always, yes. I don't know the currency, I cannot be bothered to look it up. It's unlimited everything, yes, the generator does everything. You want girlfriend, you get. You want a house, you get unlimited. Yes, everything. So guys, this is extremely sad, and the saddest thing is, if you look at these search results from your local Google, which of course never promotes scams in any way, you see these things that are just absolutely impossible. Lords Mobile, unlimited everything. Like, they're not even bothering to look up at the names of the currencies. Like, unlimited everything. I'm like, oh yes, please, over here, Blue Archive. Unlimited money, at least money. They didn't actually research the currencies. But Summoner's War, unlimited everything, unlimited money, unlimited everything. Yes, of course. Heyday, unlimited everything. It's incredible. It's just incredible what's going on here. And the saddest thing is, as these things seem to be showing up in Google, that means a bunch of people are actually falling for that. Here is this website that's too lazy to even tell you the name of the currency. And they're claiming to give you unlimited of it in, of course, online games. And if you guys have never heard my spiel about online games, well, in online games, it's impossible to hack currencies because they are stored on the game servers and not on your game client, which is the only thing you're able to manipulate using client-side tools. So you can only manipulate data that is processed on a device that you control in online games. You do not control the device that tracks your monies. Therefore, unlimited monies is not possible in online games. But of course, these people are advertising exactly those cheats for online games all the time, not even bothering to research the name of the currency and just, excuse me for a moment, just, claiming the impossible. Oh yes, whatever you want. Just imagine whatever you want, you get unlimited of it. Okay, yes, our magic tool will read your thoughts, what you want, you get everything. Guys, this has never worked. This has never been a thing. Unlimited everything has never been a thing. Even in single player games, that's not a thing at all. So what I recommend you guys is just, if you're running across something like this, if you're looking for cheats online, just head over to hackerbot.net and actually find legitimate cheats for your game from legitimate cheat providers. Now, these cheats will not give you unlimited everything, but they will give you stuff that's actually possible, which is, in my opinion, quite more useful than getting unlimited of something that doesn't actually work. So to get over to hackerbot.net, and just Google game hack and go to hackerbot.net. Then go to our beginner's guide. If you're new here, if you need the basics of game cheating, this will take you through the basic knowledge of how to use and download game cheating software safely with all the precautions, and you will understand the risks involved and also the legal risks and everything. Please guys, check out our beginner's guide before you get started, and then head over to our download section in order to find legitimate seeds from legitimate providers with a proven track record of providing clean and working software for many years. Of course, you will still need to enable your brain because real cheats require a little bit of brain power. You don't just click a button to generate unlimited everything, because of course, if you head over to our wiki at hackerbot.net, you can check out the fake hack article. And yes, of course, all of these are absolutely fake. This is not how cheating has ever worked. Legitimate cheats will always require you to download some kind of software in order to manipulate data on your device. And never ever in the history of ever has a legitimate cheat ever been a website where you simply push a generate button and you fill in some kind of, you have to complete some offer to do it. That's just not how it works. That's how it has never worked. Those are all scams. Please don't fall for this kind of stuff. And again, guys, please consider the seal again. It's sad, it's alone on its ice sheet, and it's drifting in the Atlantic, and it needs you to desperately just like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel in order for it to be happy again before its inevitable end, when the ice sheet slowly melts and it drifts into the water and it realizes that it can swim. Anyways, guys, happy end after all. This is me. I'm signing out at hackerbot.net for all of you interested in game jacking, and I'll see you guys next time.